Kawasaki Ninja 250 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The realm of motorcycling beckons with the promise of adventure, freedom, and an intimate connection to the open road. For beginners stepping into this exhilarating domain, the choice of their first motorcycle holds tremendous significance. The Kawasaki Ninja 250, with its blend of accessible power, sporty aesthetics, and rider-friendly attributes, emerges as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, dynamic design, and beginner-focused characteristics, the Ninja 250 provides a perfect platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 250 resides a refined 249cc parallel twin engine that achieves a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the exhilaration of sport riding with confidence. Sporty design and dynamic aesthetics. The Ninja 250 boasts a sporty and dynamic design that captures the essence of Kawasaki's sport bike lineage. Its sharp lines, aerodynamic form, and dynamic styling elements embody the sport-oriented aesthetics that ignite the passion of sport riding enthusiasts. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also embrace the spirited essence that defines the Ninja 250. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Tailored for comfort, the Ninja 250 offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both spirited rides and extended journeys. The slightly lean-forward posture, appropriately positioned handlebars, and foot pegs contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 is renowned for its agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for novice sport riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate curves, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains paramount, especially for beginner riders. The Ninja 250 is often equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they learn to master the motorcycle's sport-oriented performance. Urban cruising and spirited rides. The Ninja 250's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Beginners can effortlessly transition between urban cruising and experiencing the thrill of sport riding, all while enjoying the motorcycle's dynamic and exhilarating performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand create a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Becoming part of this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the Ninja 250's performance-driven attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 isn't just a starting point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its sporty performance, dynamic design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Ninja 250 as they evolve from novices to experienced sport enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to delivering an accessible and sport-oriented introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, dynamic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 250 provides an immersive gateway to the excitement of sport riding. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 250, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for speed, agility, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.